This music ensemble is a coming together. It's the World Music Ensemble, and it's a gathering of musicians from various cultures from around the world. I think so often in society, various cultural groups engage in their cultural practices separately. And so what this ensemble attempts to do is actually to bring communities together. It's very, very exciting to be able to do this. And Desi is a top musician. Any events that the Stoney Nakoda First Nation are performing these musical events, you know, he's one of the go-to musicians. So to have someone of that caliber working with us is actually very exciting.
While I'm taking this part is to let the people see we can collaborate with instrument music and with our own instrument of drum that we have in our culture. There will be 2 more singers and then 4 dancers. A traditional grass dance and a jingle. So that's what you guys gonna see.
How do you explain what music does to a person's heart, their psychology? I don't think you can put it into words, and that's why we express ourselves, not necessarily through words, but through music.